Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we'll see how you can configure project billing. Here we have a project. To configure the project billing, simply click on the three dots next to the project name, then click on Edit Project. Next, navigate to the billing section. From here, you can enable or disable billing. Next, you have the option to select the project classification as either client-facing or internal. Below that, you can select a client by clicking on the drop-down menu. If you're looking for a specific client, use the search bar or select a client from the list. In this section, you can adjust the billing method. You can choose to charge by hour or set a fixed price for the project. If you opt for a fixed fee, simply enter the agreed amount. If you're charging by hour, click on Time and Materials. From here, you can set hourly price for the entire project, or you can click on the drop-down menu to set an hourly price for each of the team member. Select Person Billing to add billing for a specific person. You can also add multiple members by clicking on the plus button, then click on Select Person, and you can choose a team member and their hourly rate. For this example, we'll set a fixed fee. To do this, click on Fixed Fee and type in the agreed amount. Once you're done, click on Close. As you can see, the billing details have been successfully updated. And that's how you can configure billing for your projects. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.